For years, the Apple Ring has been one of the most talked about unreleased Apple products. Rumors have surfaced again and again, patents have appeared online, and industry insiders have repeatedly suggested that Apple has been exploring the smart ring category behind the scenes. Unlike many other rumored Apple products that quickly disappear from the headlines, the Apple Ring has continued to generate excitement because it represents something completely different from Apple's existing lineup. Now, a fresh leak suggests that the long wait may finally be leading somewhere. If the latest reports are accurate, Apple is actively developing what could become its smallest wearable device ever. Even more interesting, this tiny product may offer advantages that the Apple Watch simply cannot provide. While nothing has been officially confirmed, the growing number of reports indicates that Apple may finally be preparing to enter one of the fastest-growing categories in wearable technology. According to a new leak shared by Apple insider source Kasutami, Apple is actively working on a smart ring currently referred to internally as the iRing. Although the final name could change before launch, the goal appears obvious. Apple wants to compete directly with existing smart rings like the Oura Ring and Samsung Galaxy Ring, two products that have gained popularity by focusing almost entirely on health tracking rather than notifications or apps. At first glance, some people may wonder why Apple would even need another wearable device when the Apple Watch already dominates the smartwatch market. However, Apple has often expanded into existing product categories by offering a different experience rather than simply replacing its previous products. The Apple Ring could follow exactly that strategy by complementing the Apple Watch instead of competing against it. What makes a smart ring different is its simplicity. Unlike a smartwatch, a ring doesn't need a large display, colorful apps, or constant alerts buzzing throughout the day. Instead, its primary purpose is to quietly gather health information while remaining almost invisible to the user. Because it sits comfortably on your finger, it can continuously monitor important health metrics without demanding attention. This makes it particularly appealing for people who want health tracking without feeling like they're wearing a miniature smartphone on their wrist. The ring would simply collect information throughout the day and night, allowing users to focus on their daily activities while still benefiting from detailed health insights in the background. One of the biggest advantages Apple already has is its powerful ecosystem. If the Apple Ring becomes a reality, it could integrate seamlessly with Apple Health on the iPhone, allowing users to view all of their health data in one familiar place. Instead of creating a separate application or platform, Apple could simply add another source of information into its existing health ecosystem. The ring could potentially monitor heart rate, daily activity, calories burned, sleep quality, recovery scores, body temperature trends, stress levels, and other wellness indicators. Combined with the iPhone's processing power and Apple's software expertise, users could receive detailed long-term health reports without needing to interact with the ring itself. The hardware may be tiny, but its contribution to Apple's health platform could be significant. Exactly which sensors Apple plans to include remains one of the biggest unanswered questions. Modern smart rings already contain miniature sensors capable of tracking heart rate, blood oxygen, skin temperature, sleep cycles, and movement. Apple could choose to include similar technologies while also introducing its own custom-designed sensors or AI-powered health analysis. Because Apple invests heavily in health research and wearable technology, many industry observers believe the company could bring new capabilities that competitors currently lack. However, until Apple officially announces the product, everything regarding its sensor package remains speculative. What seems increasingly clear, though, is that health monitoring is expected to be the primary reason this device exists. Another important question Apple will need to answer is why someone who already owns an Apple Watch would also want an Apple Ring. Surprisingly, the answer may be much simpler than expected. Comfort is one of the biggest reasons many people avoid wearing smartwatches all day, and especially overnight. Some users dislike sleeping with a watch on their wrist, while others prefer wearing traditional mechanical watches during the day, but still want continuous health monitoring. A lightweight smart ring could solve both problems by providing around-the-clock tracking without interfering with personal style or comfort. Instead of replacing the Apple Watch, the The ring could become the perfect companion device, filling the gaps where a smartwatch may feel less practical. The timing also makes sense because the smart ring market is no longer considered experimental. Oura has spent years proving there is strong consumer demand for compact, health-focused wearables, while Samsung recently entered the category with the Galaxy Ring, bringing even more attention to smart rings worldwide. Apple's entry would dramatically increase competition and could accelerate innovation across the entire industry. As with many product categories Apple has entered in the past, the company may not be first, but it often focuses on delivering a polished experience supported by its extensive ecosystem. That strategy has worked successfully with smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, and wireless earbuds, making many analysts believe it could succeed once again with smart rings. Apple also holds an important competitive advantage that neither Oura nor Samsung can fully replicate: the close integration between its hardware, software, and services. If an Apple Ring works effortlessly alongside the iPhone, Apple Watch, AirPods, Mac, and Apple Health, the real value may not come from the ring alone. Instead, it could come from the complete health ecosystem created when all of these products communicate with each other. Data collected by the ring could enhance workout tracking on the Apple Watch, improve sleep analysis on the iPhone, and contribute to personalized health recommendations powered by Apple's machine learning technology. This interconnected experience is something Apple has spent years building, and the Apple Ring could become another important piece of that larger puzzle. Adding even more excitement are the numerous Apple patents related to smart rings that have surfaced over the years. Some patents describe advanced gesture controls that could allow users to interact with other Apple devices by moving their fingers in specific ways. Others explore methods for controlling augmented reality glasses, navigating interfaces, or communicating with nearby devices using simple hand movements. While patents never guarantee future products, they demonstrate that Apple has invested significant time researching what a finger-worn device could eventually accomplish. Whether these advanced ideas appear in the first generation Apple Ring remains uncertain, but they certainly show Apple's long-term interest in expanding the capabilities of wearable technology. Despite all the growing excitement, the biggest unanswered question remains the launch date. According to Kasutami, the project is actively under development, but there is currently no reliable information regarding when the Apple Ring might actually be released. There's also no confirmed pricing, final design, official product name, or detailed specification sheet. Apple is well known for testing numerous products internally, many of which never reach store shelves. Nevertheless, this latest leak feels more significant than previous rumors because the smart ring market has matured considerably. Consumer interest is growing, competition is increasing, and Apple appears to have both the technology and ecosystem needed to deliver a compelling product. If Apple successfully combines exceptional comfort, accurate all-day health tracking, long battery life, and seamless integration with the iPhone and Apple Health, the Apple Ring could become one of the company's most exciting wearable launches in years. Until Apple officially reveals its plans, enthusiasts can only speculate, but one question remains worth asking. If Apple offered both the Apple Watch and the Apple Ring, which wearable would you choose to wear